Welcome to your active system. Here's how to wear the OrthoCore Active Universal System for therapy. Let's get started with setup. First, locate the power cord included with your system. Plug it into the USB-C port on the bottom of the OrthoSource controller. You'll see a red light turn on. This means the system is charging. After about 90 minutes, the red light will turn off, letting you know it's fully charged. Step 1. Prepare the OrthoPods. Open a new package of OrthoPods 5 to 10 minutes before your session so they have time to warm up. Make sure the logoed side is facing down or they won't warm properly. Step 2. Start your therapy. Gently insert the OrthoPods into the OrthoDocs on your device. You'll feel the magnets pull them into place. Once your therapy session starts, a blue light will appear on the OrthoSource. Each session runs for 2 hours. You're now ready to begin your therapy session. Here's how to wear the OrthoCore Active Universal System for therapy. The Universal System is designed for versatility. It can be used on various parts of the body, such as the hip, thigh, calf, or torso. Start by choosing the right strap for the area you're treating. Use the small strap for limbs or smaller areas like the calf or thigh. Use the large strap for broader areas like the waist or torso. Attach the plain end of the strap, the one without the logo, to the loop material along the edge of the device. Position the OrthoPods directly over the area you want to treat. Wrap the strap around your body and fasten it securely to the loop surface on the device. Use the adjustable strap glider to fine-tune the fit so it's secure. Just be sure to not over-tighten. It should feel comfortable, not restrictive. When your therapy session is complete, the blue light on the controller will flash for about 2 minutes before turning off completely. Gently remove the device from your body. Remove the used OrthoPods from your device. The magnets will release easily. Discard them in the trash after use.